Have you ever pondered the essence of your own existence, the weave of the reality you discern? Our comprehension of reality is often bound by what we can touch, see, smell, taste, and hear. Yet these senses merely graze the surface of a deeply intricate universe. But what if our minds, our thoughts and emotions hold a far more significant role in shaping this reality? Consider this for a moment. Our consciousness isn't just an observer, but a creator, an influencer of the energy that makes up our world. This isn't a mere whimsical idea, but the foundation of theories that propose our thoughts and emotions can influence the energy of the universe. Like ripples in pond, our mental and emotional states can cause disturbances in the cosmic energy field. Now imagine a world where all matter is simply energy in a slow, deliberate dance. A world where the chair you're sitting on, the air you're breathing, even you, are nothing but frequency, humming at such a slow pace that it creates the illusion of solidity. This is not just a fantasy, but a theory proposed by a young man who dared to question the conventional understanding of existence. And what if this young man told you we are all part of a single consciousness, a collective mind, experiencing itself subjectively, intricately connected with the universe? Our thoughts, our emotions, our very consciousness, it seems, are not just products of the universe, but potent forces that can shape it. This is the astounding possibility that awaits us when we dare to look beyond our physical senses and dive into the unfathomable depths of our consciousness. Imagine a young man, like any other, suddenly struck with an intense realization. One day, as he was going about his usual routine, a profound thought dawned on him. He saw the world not as a collection of disparate objects and beings, but as a unified field, a tapestry of energy woven together by the threads of existence. He began to understand that all matter is energy, condensed to a slow vibration. What we perceive as solid objects, ourselves included, are nothing more than oscillations of energy, humming at a frequency that our senses can comprehend. This epiphany led him to a further revelation. We are all one consciousness. He began to perceive how mind consciousness is interconnected with universe. He understood that consciousness was not confined to the physical brain, but rather it was an intrinsic property of the universe. He realized the concept of universal consciousness, an entity that is greater than the sum of its parts, wherein our individual minds are just fragments. These fragments, while they may seem separate, are inextricably linked, contributing to the vast expanse of universal consciousness. Each thought, each emotion, each experience we have does not exist in isolation, but rather forms part of the larger cosmic narrative. Every joy, sorrow, fear and triumph experienced by every creature is note in the symphony of our collective consciousness. Each of us, an individual instrument, is playing a unique melody that contributes to the overall harmony of existence. He grasped that our thoughts and feelings, our personal consciousness, were not distinct and separate, but part of this universal consciousness, a cosmic web of interconnected minds and experiences. And then he understood, there is no such thing as death, only a transition. A transformation of energy and consciousness from one state to another, keeping the universal consciousness alive and ever evolving. This awareness of the interconnectedness of all existence shattered his fear of mortality, knowing that he was and always would be part of the infinite tapestry of universal consciousness. What if life as we know it is merely a tree, an extension of the one consciousness? Imagine the profound implications of this realization. If all matter is simply energy condensed to a slow vibration, then we, in our essence, are nothing more than dynamic patterns of energy, part of an interconnected whole. Consider the universe as one consciousness, a sea of energy, ebbing and flowing, creating the illusion of separate entities. But in truth, we are all waves on the same ocean, distinct yet inseparable. This consciousness, this universal mind, is the true reality. It's the stage upon which the play of existence unfolds. Life and death, then, are mere constructs of this consciousness. They're simply different states of being, transitions between forms of energy. Death is not an end, but a transformation, a change in the frequency of our vibration. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are but figments of our imagination, a single consciousness forever experiencing, forever evolving.